Describe a popular place for sports, e.g. a stadium, that you have been to. You should say where it is, when you went there, what you did there, and explain how you felt about this place.
A popular place for sports that I've had the chance to visit is Eden Gardens, a world-renowned cricket stadium located in Kolkata, India. It's often referred to as the Mecca of Indian cricket because of its rich history and passionate crowds. I went there about 2 years ago to watch an IPL Indian Premier League match between the Kolkata Knight Riders and Mumbai Indians. It was my first live cricket match, and the experience was absolutely unforgettable. The stadium was packed with tens of thousands of energetic fans waving flags, chanting team slogans, and cheering loudly every time a player hit a six or took a wicket. The scale of the stadium was breathtaking. It can accommodate around 66,000 spectators. The floodlights, the giant screens, and the atmosphere made me feel like I was part of something much bigger than just a game. I went with a few close friends who were also huge cricket enthusiasts, and we had an amazing time soaking in the energy and excitement. What I really loved about Eden Gardens was not just the sporting event itself, but the sense of unity and enthusiasm it created among people from different walks of life. Everyone was united by a common passion: cricket. The entire experience made me appreciate how sports can bring people together in such a powerful way. Visiting Eden Gardens was not just entertaining, it was emotionally uplifting and a memory I'll always cherish.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.